Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amina Saqifa. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to create a glam Eid look. Let's get started. First, as usual, is the Farsalicare Rose Gold Skin Mist to hydrate my skin. Next is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water to prime my skin. After that, I'll use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to give my makeup a flawless base. Since I have oily skin, this primer helps my makeup last longer. I like to use my fingers to massage it rather than a brush. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Samer Khouzami Beauty Sponge and it's the softest thing ever. Next, I'll be applying the Hudabeauty Faux Filter Foundation shade Custard with my beauty sponge. I'm loving the feeling of this sponge, it's really amazing. After I blend all of that, I'll apply the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, shade Light Neutral under my eyes, on my forehead, nose and my chin. I love this concealer because it doesn't crease and it lasts all day. At the same time, I'll be contouring with the Smashbox Step-by-Step Contour Stick and then blend them properly all together. I absolutely love this stick because it's super creamy and really easy to blend, and I have noticed that it's also very long lasting. Now for baking, I'm using the Hudabeauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder and I'll let that bake for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, I'll do my brows with the Anastasiabeverlyhills Dip Brow Pomade. And then set them with the Anastasiabeverlyhills Clear Brow Gel as always. I'll be adding a bit more contour since it's for Eid with the Anastasiabeverlyhills Contour Kit Light to Medium. Then for blush, I'll use the Benefitcosmetics Cheekleader Pink Squad Palette, shade California. To highlight, I'll be using the Inglot Sparkle Dust and I prefer to use my fingers instead of a brush to get that perfect glow. Ooh, look at that glow! Some diamond sparkles with the amazing Fentybeauty Diamond Bomb. My third highlighter is the Anastasiabeverlyhills Ambrosy Highlighter for inner corners and brow bone. For eyes, I'm gonna use the Hudabeauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. With the shade Demure, I'll make a base and then blend it with the sandalwood. Then with the shade Man Eater, I'll darken it up. Now I'll apply the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer to middle of my eyes. Then I'll open my eyes so it can create a crease and I'll get an idea until where I want it. This is the best tip for hollow eyes or cut crease. Now I'm blending it with the powder shadows. I'm using the Unique Shimmer Powder Champagne to the middle of my eyes and I'll top it off with the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Then I'll create a dramatic winged liner with the Inglot Gel Liner number 77. Now I'll apply the shades Demure and Sandalwoods under my eyes. And then Man Eater. Next I apply falsies and then I use my fave Benefit Mascara. Lastly, I'll use the Hudabeauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Sugar Mama. This is the final result. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys decide to try it out, then tell me how it went. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and turn bell notifications on. Love you guys. Bye.